chances of 40 miles an hour and pea-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Minor damage to outdoor objects is possible. Other locations impacted by these storms include Ponder, Stony, Bolivar, Dish, Annetta North, Grapevine Lake, Lake Arlington, Greenwood, Annetta South, and Keeter. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. Max hail size, 0.25 and max wind gust, 40 miles an hour. The ultraviolet... The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Dallas County and north central Texas, southern Dallas County and north central Texas until 11:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:54 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Midlothian, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Dallas, DeSoto, Cedar Hill, Duncanville, Glen Heights, Ovilla, and Oak Leaf around 11 p.m. Central Standard Time. Lancaster and Red Oak around 11:05 p.m. Central Standard Time. Hutchins and Wilmer around 11:10 p.m. Central Standard Time. Balk Springs and Cedarville around 11:20 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Trumbull, Pecan Hill, Joe Lake, Sand Branch, Rocket, India, Bristol, White Rock Lake, Mountain Creek Lake, and Griffith. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35E between mile markers 400 and 428. Interstate 20 between mile markers 455 and 479. Interstate 30 between mile markers 43 and 53. Interstate 45 between mile markers 260 and 284. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The current time is 10:56. Thunderstorm warning for southwestern Rockwall County in north central Texas, northwestern Kaufman County in north central Texas, north central Ellis County in north central Texas, southeastern Dallas County in north central Texas until 12:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 11:27 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Balk Springs, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Dallas, Mesquite, Balk Springs, and Cedarville around 11:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Forney around 11:35 p.m. Central Standard Time. Talty around 11:40 p.m. Central Standard Time. Carroll around 11:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Heartland, Lawrence, Lake Ray Hubbard, Sand Branch, Rocket, India, Post Oak Bend City, Trumbull, Pecan Hill, and Scurry. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35E between mile markers 413 and 425. Interstate 20 between mile markers 465 and 498. Interstate 30 between mile markers 51 and 70. Interstate 45 between mile markers 261 and 283. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The current